Okay, konting casual thoughts lang, no? Sabi mo, Doc, tingin mo sa stress mo nakuha yung cancer mo, stress sa bashers. Tapos nag-file ka ng COC for senator. Medyo hindi ko makonect. Medyo I don't know, hindi ko siya makonect. Parang siya, parang conflicting. Anyway, I wish you the best, no? Sa run na yan. But more than that, I wish makarecover ka, no? Sa cancer. I do hope moving forward you learn about LCIF. It will help you.